Oh dear, the pantry is nearly bare.
The fridge isn't much better. What are we going to do for dinner? The kids will be hungry soon.
Don't worry, Alex. I have a plan. We're going to make something amazing with just 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients? Are you sure? What magical dish is this?
It's a classic. Spaghetti aglio e olio. It's pasta with garlic and oil. It's famous all over Italy for being simple and delicious.
Spaghetti with garlic and oil? That's it? No tomato sauce? No meat?
That's the beauty of it. All we need is spaghetti, garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of chili for some heat.
I don't know, Mia. Will the kids even eat it?
Trust me, they'll love it. The key is in how you cook it. Now, let's get started. First, we boil the water for the pasta. We need to cook the spaghetti until it is al dente.
Al dente? What does that mean?
It's an Italian term. It means the pasta should be cooked through, but still firm when you bite it. Not too soft, and definitely not mushy.
Ah, I see. So it has a little bite to it.
Exactly. While the pasta is cooking, we can prepare our sauce. Now, we thinly slice the garlic. You don't want to mince it. Slicing it releases the flavor slowly.
Mince? What's the difference between slicing and mincing?
Slicing means to cut into thin, flat pieces. Mincing is when you chop it into very tiny, irregular pieces. For this dish, slices are better.
Got it. And the chili?
We'll just add a pinch of red pepper flakes to the oil to give it a little kick. Not too much, just enough to make it interesting. Now, we gently heat the olive oil in a pan and add the garlic and chili flakes. We want to infuse the oil with the flavors.
Infuse?
It means to fill with a flavor. We are making the oil taste like garlic and chili. The smell is amazing, isn't it?
It really is. It smells incredible.
Once the pasta is al dente, we drain it and add it directly to the pan with our garlic oil.
And now?
We toss it all together. Tossing means to mix everything lightly. This way, every single strand of spaghetti gets coated in that delicious, flavorful oil.
Wow, it smells so good. Can I have a big plate, please?
Is this really just pasta and garlic? It looks so yummy.
And now? It does look good. And it was so simple.
Good food doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest things are the best. Now let's eat.